Hello, I was asked by a viewer to make a small video explaining how to make the screw for the steering link. So I'm gonna show you. This is the screws used. So 2.5 millimeter screws, 20 millimeters long. They come with nuts. They are small head screws. You see, very thin head. If this focus, but yeah, you can see. Then let's see if I can show you in the car. You have to remove the upper part. You have to remove all this, of course. This screw here on top, have to remove this, and you pry it. You don't have to remove all the parts. You pry it up a bit with a screwdriver or something, and you will put the screw in. Of course, you will have to cut the screw for a smaller size because it will go against the chassis of the car, so it will be small. And then the screw and the nut is gonna hit the chassis here inside. So what you have to do is being careful. You use a soldering iron and you melt a little bit of the plastic. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, you can see there. You go and carefully you remove the wheel. Of course, I not removed because I'm not gonna do it, just showing you. And you carefully melt a little bit until it passes. The nut passes through the chassis and doesn't bind. That's all there is to it here. In here on this side, you put the screw on top, and the nut on the bottom. You see there? I have a nut there. You see? And that's it. Even in this new hubs I bought, the problem happened really fast because I bashed the car. So I used it already. I think that's it. Hope it's clear, the hole I have there. This doesn't cause any problems. I have this almost since I have the car and no problem. Alright, I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching.